reacting to the passage of the bill, Professor Audrey Gajekpo described it as disappointing and obnoxious. She likened the bill to the criminal libel law, insisting it has little to do with safeguarding Ghanaian family values. We bring you excerpts of that clip in our subsequent bulletins. But in the meantime, proponents of the Proper Human, Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill, however, say they are prepared to face off in court with a coalition of 18 civil society groups who are considering legal action if President Akufo-Addo signs the Anti-LGBTQ Bill into law. Listen to the Executive Secretary of the Coalition for Human, Sexual Rights and Family Values, Moses Fuamweni.
Last 13 years, I have spent my hard-earned money and that of the church to cater for over 400 people who are suffering from this business of LGBT propaganda. Do you know when she keeps on saying it's a minority people, minority right to do what? To do what? You see, because the law follows the facts. What kind of rights is he claiming are minority rights? And I've shared this on your station, that this business of minority rights, civil rights, constitutional rights is always a false, herring being thrown at us. And the whole basis for this falsehood was a campaign strategy written for the LGBT movement by Paul Rondeau. You can Google for his name, because they went to him, the American LGBT movement went to him and asked, how can we have America accept LGBT activities? And he said, look, and I'm quoting from the book, After the Ball, go and read it. It says that because what we do and the consequences of it are so repulsive, let us not focus on what we do and the consequences, but focus on minority rights, human rights, democracy. That's the argument they're always throwing out. So I'm saying, you, the journalists, don't buy into it. That's a lie. She says they're going to court. Well, we're going to meet them in court. So to answer your question directly, in fact, we are waiting for her in court. That's a lie. The president is a very smart politician. I don't think he's going to buy into this false argument about democracy and human rights and all of